how to create a website using Wix ADI. Hey guys, and welcome to this tutorial on how to create a website using Wix ADI. ADI stands for Artificial Design Intelligence, and it's a powerful tool that allows you to quickly and easily create a beautiful professional looking website without any coding or design experience. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of creating a website using ADI step by step. And this is the preview of the website that we are going to create today. So let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is sign up for an ADI account. Just follow the instruction and create an account, and after that you will be taken to Wix dashboard, and from the dashboard come to my sites and then create new site. And after that we have to choose what kind of website we are creating, so I'll be choosing technology company and then next, and then enter your business name. Now this is very important step for using ADI. We have to choose either we want to begin with a template or get a custom built site. So here we have a bunch of pre-designed template and we just have to make couple of changes, but right now I'll be going with this one. And the next step is to answer a few questions. ADI will then ask you a few questions about your website, such as what it's for and what features you want to include. Answer these questions as accurately as possible, as this will help ADI to create a website that's tailored to your needs. And then enter your information like business name, logo, email address, phone number and social accounts, and you can also skip this step if you want. But this step is necessary for the footer of our website, as the information that you have entered here will be on the footer of our website. So now next, choose a theme afterwards. So we have just 6 theme options over here, so I'll be choosing this one and then next. Next we have to choose homepage design, and these are the available options that ADI has created for us. And when you hover over here and just scroll down, you will be able to see how it looks. And as you can see, all of them are very neat and professional looking. So I'll be choosing this one for today's video and then next. And then add pages. Now we have additional pages like content, news, about, FAQs and press kits. So choose the page that you want to add into your website and then edit site. I hope you are enjoying the video so far. So I wanted to take a quick moment to share some tools which we use to create videos and websites for our online presence, and we are using this tool for several months now, and it has made our life so much easier, and we know it will do the same for you. The best part is, if you go through our links, you will get a special discount as well. Therefore, please check those product and links in the description of this video. Now this is the website that ADI has created for us as per our answers, and this is how it looks. And you can also customize this website if you like. For example, if I want to change this image over here, so I'll just simply click on it. And then change strip background, image, and will be brought to Wix Media, and these are the free images provided by Wix. So I'll be choosing this one as our homepage background and change background. And now I'm going to preview it. And this is the preview of our website, and everything looks good, and I don't think this website needs any changes. So now I'm going to hit on publish, and this is the link to our website, and we can also design a logo using Wix. So now done. Now our website is live, and it is very easy to build a website using Wix ADI. And even if you are just a beginner with least knowledge, you can easily create a professional looking website using Wix ADI. Hope you guys find this helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching my video. I'll surely catch you up in the next one.